Okay, guys, welcome back. There's this thing. It was a brightness thing, and I tried to get rid of it, but I couldn't. And there's people, so BRB. Excuse me. You don't trust walking down here? Here, do you want to stand right there?
There.
That's as close as you're gonna get.
Probably.
Look it. That's the distance, and then there's that. Comment down
Ew,
below.
there's a spider web. Yeet.
I knew you wouldn't do that, so I didn't flinch. Try not to flinch challenge. No, I'm joking.
Oh, this is cute.
Oh, that's so cute. It's like a Tic Tac. Comment down. Wait, we still need a question of the vlog. Yeah,
Evening.
question of the vlog. Hold on, I need to have my shoe.
So, it's probably gonna be, have you ever been on a nature hike?
Yes. Have you? It's yes.
Yeah, like a bazillion times.
Yes, I have. I love the outdoors. I love hiking.
Every summer I go here with my grandma.
Every summer?
Yep.
Every day of the summer?
No.
I don't know why I'm holding you guys, but like that.
Whoa.
That should be our thing when we want to vlog. And then you just slam it in.
And you just go, whoa.
Whoa, crazy.
Or like zoom in and go, whoa.
We can zoom in.
I know. It's just like, oh, wrong thing.
Oh, apparently we can't zoom in when it's on YouTube. Never
Oh.
mind.
Oh, that was the sunlight thing. I hate this freaking wood chips. And then I got an acorn in my shoe before.
Like this one?
Sure. That's a walnut.
Which?
If you hear that noise, we're right by the
Highway.
highway.
I said highway. Oh, there's people behind us. Hurry up.
Okay. I'm all good.
Run. Cliff side. So if I get pushed, I die.
I'm a good holder.
She is. She's gonna hold my baby. What?
Whoa, okay. I think you took that a little too far. Oh, I didn't break up with Josh yet. I guess we're sitting.
Oh my god. I'd rather sit on this, but
Old people.
shoot, I have a ton of all over me.
Spider webs. Sometimes I think
Those people
sometimes I think my hair is a spider web.
Oh my god.
It's kind of weird.
So yeah, when we turn back, we're gonna turn off the vlog.
And then
Even though we don't have a question of the vlog yet.
Yeah, huh? Have you
No,
ever
remember?
been on a nature hike?
And how many times? Whoa, look at this.
I've gone every summer since I was 4. So,
I've gone every summer since I was 1.
nuh-uh.
Yeah, we've been on walking trails. I have a boyfriend.
Sorry about the sunlight.
Yeah, it makes us very pale. No offense, but we get pale.
I've always
Oh my
been
God,
tan.
I've been walking on here before.
Okay, I'm going to show you all the view, but I'm not going to go down. Andy, no. Because we could get yelled at.
YOLO. Vlog life.
There's a person. But okay.
Oh, people. There's so many people. Here, do you want me to hold down on my clutch? Yeah. Bye, guys. See you. for a long time. You don't want to go down that path?
No. I was like, down there.
Oh, Terry. Yeah, that's shooting noise around here. Hi. Yellow. Ooh, that's a dead bee. Oh well. Yeah. Over there. I don't know where. I just got some stuff.
There's a grasshopper.
Where? Don't kill it. Oh, there it is. Guys, I did too, but I just skipped it like 2 times. You guys can't see.
I'm gonna pray that my grandpa, or that my grandma gets
Oh, wait.
married again.
I'm gonna cry. I'm not gonna be lonely for the rest of my life.
I'm gonna pray that I'll get married someday.
I'm gonna stop.
No, I'm praying that that I don't live with my brother my whole life.
Duty.
Let's go.
Alright, bye. Oh my god, it's like a cold, man. Guys, we'll start vlogging again when we get in the shade, so you guys can actually see.
Let me see if it's Ben. Found one.
Found one.
I saw it fire. I like Chipotle.
Chipotle is life, man.
Oh, this is an up high bench. My feet don't even touch the ground. It's really sad.
If you do, you're short. We might return back soon. Okay.
Oh, I did that on purpose.
Oh.
Not to get the camera. I was just like,
Look at this view, guys.
ew, what's on my shoe? No, you're just like, guys, look at this view. And you're like,
Oh, they stopped. Shots fired.
shots on fire!
I pray for a lot of things. I pray that I live in my dream house.
I pray for the house.
Abby! Hi. Okay. Alright, we might turn back soon because it's getting late. We've been on this vlog for like now. Oh my god, I'm getting sunburned. I'm getting a little sunburned, guys, so we might have to turn back soon. You don't like my sunburn? Hi guys.
Turn back
I'm
here.
vlogging in 3, 2,
The trails are
Hey.
gonna go on forever.
I know.
It's nice that they put wood right here.
I want to jump to that branch.
Do not. Yeet!
Yeet.
There's another branch right
Yeet it.
there.
Oh,
Sewer!
Pennyweather.
Pennywise.
Pennywise.
Bloody Mary.
Those people. Bye.
I don't know where we're gonna turn back on.
Next bench.
The next bench.
Yeah.
Or wherever we stop.
Yes. Whenever it's quick time, we'll turn
Or
back.
until we meet the road. Because I know this trail meets the road.
Are we close
Do you
to it?
remember the way back? Yeah, I do.
You do? I was be like,
We went straight the whole entire time.
No, we took one right turn.
That's true.
Wait, I think we met the road.
There's a sky view over here.
Let's go. Let's go. Wait, hold up.
Is that a fox belly hidden rock?
We're keeping it. Hi.
Those are where fishers go.
Oh, you want to go up? Yeah, I'll come to your side.
Skirt, 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 skirt.
Feel this. It's actually kind of heavy.
Not really. It says 2018. So.
It's recent.
That's the year we're in.
Uh-huh. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Just a tiger by itself. If we have. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That's a... Are we going back down?
Yeah.
Oh, we're going back.
You want to hold this again? You have pockets. I don't. See?
Your hands are soft. Alright, bye guys. That's the vlog.
See you later.
Peace.